Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your English online class. Hope you all are fit and fine. So, today we will study English grammar, chapter number 17, conjunctions. Students, this is a small and easy chapter but very important chapter. So, let's begin. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word. We use conjunctions to join two words, phrases or clauses together to make one long sentence. So students, conjunction is a joining word. Conjunction is a word which joins two phrases, clauses to make one long sentence. For example, the word and, as, if, when, because. These are some of the examples of conjunctions or joining words which join two sentences and make it a one long sentence. So students, we can say that conjunctions acts as a glue in sentence. How? Because students, you know that the work of glue is to join things, is to fix things. Similarly, the work of conjunction is to join sentences. Now let's have a look at some other examples of conjunctions. Because, when, so, but, and then. These are other examples of joining words or conjunctions which join sentences. Let's have a look at some of the examples of conjunctions in sentences. Here the first sentence is joined with a conjunction for, and it says, we listened eagerly for he brought news of our families. Second sentence is joined with a conjunction and it is, she didn't speak to anyone and nobody spoke to her. Third sentence is, I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. So here the word nor is a conjunction. Next sentence, they rushed to the hospital but they were too late. So in this sentence, but is a joining word, or we can say but is a conjunction. Next sentence is, I will go shopping or I will go camping. Here or is a joining word and it is a conjunction. Next sentence is, Kelly was a convicted criminal, yet many people admired him. Here the word yet, which is written with red color, is a conjunction. And the last sentence is, I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. So in this sentence, the word so is a conjunction. So students, in all these sentences, the word for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so are the examples of conjunctions. Similarly, there are other words also which act as conjunctions. For example, after, till, as, if, since, though, unless, until, while, etc. Now let's have a look at some of the common conjunctions and when to use those conjunctions. First one is and. We use and to connect words and sentences. So this conjunction and is used to simply join words or sentences. For example, I like chocolate and bananas. So here chocolate and bananas are being joined with the conjunction and. Next sentence is, my brother can play the violin and he can sing. So here also two sentences, my brother can play the violin and next sentence is, he can sing, are joined with a conjunction and. Next comes the conjunction but. We use but to show contrast. Contrast means to show opposite. When there are opposite sentences, we join them with the conjunction but. For example, I like oranges but I don't like strawberries. So here two sentences are, I like oranges, and the second sentence is, I don't like strawberry. First one is telling about likes and second one is telling about dislikes. So we have used the conjunction but here to join these two contrast or opposite sentences. Similarly, second sentence is my sister can ride a bicycle but she can't drive. So here also two contrast sentences are joined with a conjunction but. Now let's have a look at the third word, which is because. We use because to express a reason for something. When we have to express the reason in a sentence, then we join the sentence with the word with the conjunction because. For example, I passed the test because I studied hard. Here the sentence say that I have passed the test, and what was the reason? The reason was I studied hard. So it is joined with the conjunction because. I passed the test because I studied hard. Similarly, next sentence is he was sick because he had played football in the rain. So what's the reason of him being sick? Is that he played football in the rain. And the third one is she went to bed early because she was very tired. So when we have to give reasons in a sentence, we join the sentence with the conjunction because. So students, I hope that you are understanding the concept of conjunctions and how to use these words. Now let's have a look at some of the exercises of this chapter to make this topic more clear. First question is join each of the following sets of sentences by using a suitable conjunction. From those listed below, there are more conjunctions than needed. So students, there are various sentences given in this question and some conjunctions are given in the box, and we have to write suitable conjunction for the following sentences. So let's start with the first sentence. First sentence is I cannot solve this problem. It is too difficult. So students, in this sentence, the second sentence, it is too difficult, is telling us the reason for the first sentence. So this sentence will be joined with the conjunction because, and it will become I cannot solve this problem because it is too difficult. Now let's have a look at the next sentence. It says you can swallow the tablet full stop, you can chew it. So in this sentence, two sentences are there in which choice is given, and when choice is there, we can join those sentences with the help of conjunction or. So it will become you can swallow the tablet or you can chew it. So these two sentences will look like this after joining them with conjunctions. First one will be I cannot solve this problem because it is too difficult, and second one will be you can swallow the tablet or you can chew it. Now let's have a look at other sentences. Third one is the day was cloudy, it was very humid. So these two sentences will be combined with the help of conjunction and fourth sentence will be we cannot finish this task, we must be given more time. This sentence will be joined with the conjunction so, and it will become we cannot finish this task, so we must be given more time. Next sentence is they went to Egypt as they wanted to see the pyramids. Sixth sentence will be he is a great scholar but he is humble. Next sentence is it may rain but these streets will become waterlogged. Eighth sentence will be the visitors left, so we sat down and relaxed. Ninth sentence will be she went on walking till she reached a hotel. Tenth sentence will be he sang while he worked. So students, this is how we have to join these sentences by including conjunction between the sentences. Now let's have a look at the next exercise. In this question, we have to fill in the blank with suitable conjunctions. Some conjunctions are given in the box and we have to write by choosing from those conjunctions in the following sentences. So I have already filled in the blanks, and you have to do similarly in your books. First sentence will be, Jim is afraid of water, so he does not know how to swim. Second sentence will be, though poor himself, he tried to help others. Students, generally the conjunction though always comes at the beginning of a sentence. Next sentence will be, we must wait till John comes because he has all our tickets. Fourth sentence will be, if you are lucky, you may win a lottery. Fifth sentence will be, you may walk or you may take a bus to the station from here. Sixth sentence will be, we knocked on the door but nobody answered. Seventh sentence will be, everybody ran for shelter after it had started raining. Eighth sentence will be, you may listen to some music till I get ready, said Sumit. Ninth sentence will be, go to bed early or you will not be able to wake up in time to see the sunrise. 10th sentence will be, you must wait till your turn comes, the games teacher said. 11th sentence will be, Ram and Lakshman were brothers. 12th sentence will be, if you try hard enough, you will surely succeed. 13th sentence will be joined with the conjunction but, and it will be, the thief tried to run away but was caught by the crowd. 14th sentence will be, he was given some medicine so that he could sleep. 15th sentence will be, hardly had he started reading a book before he fell asleep. So students, this is how we have to do the exercises of this chapter. That's all for today. I hope you must have comprehend the concept of conjunctions. We'll meet you on the next turn. Till then, take care, be safe, and keep learning.